I just feel something here. In this boat, I just feel this presence of love. I mean, let's all hold hands and all. Welcome aboard the Leaky Tiki. My name is Adam. I'll be your tour guide, skipper, and dance instructor for the next 5 exciting days in Central Manhattan. And now we're traveling deep in the mouth of the Uwadi River of Asia.
It's raining.
Did you feel that moisture? Yeah, did you like that?
Yeah.
That was acid rain. Yeah. For all you bird watchers over there, we have 3 toucans. Some of the most colorful birds in the world. Now they're fully automated. They come with air, cruise, tilt, power steering, power brake, same engine set, all the good stuff. Although for you more advanced bird watchers, which I'm sure all of you are, over there we have a rare hornbill, about to become a little more rare as you can see. But lucky for him, his feet were cemented to that branch 30 years ago. And this is my favorite jungle resident, Old Smiley. Please do keep your hands inside the boat. He's always looking for a handout. Now, many explorers have tried to steal that priceless ruby up there, but no one has ever gotten past that poisonous spider. Well, I'm glad to see we're all bright-eyed pushing you this afternoon. Oh, no sudden moves. Up there are 3 deadly king cobra snakes. As you may all know, they're amongst the most deadly snakes in the world. So there used to be 4 of those guys. I wonder where the other one went. Don't move, don't move. Oh. And that's no ordinary house cat. That's a Bengal tiger. It's been known to leap over 20 feet and attack blondes and brunettes. Then again, so do I. Yeah. And this is no ordinary elephant. That's Ganesha, the elephant god. But then again, I'm no ordinary skipper. I'm Adam, the skipper god. Oh, this is such a beautiful sight this time of day. I had no idea that these guys would be down here. No, so take pictures if you like, okay? Hey, great participation there. I'm glad you all had a good time, alright? Now, I have this eerie suspicion that we're going to encounter some kind of trouble up ahead, but I have no idea where it could be. No idea. There it is, right on time, yeah? Oh, what's he up to now? Oh, no, no, no. Oh, he's never done that before. Okay, but I'm not putting up with these threats all day. I have a cruise right here. Whatever happens, happens. We make that when he come up again. Who got it? Psych. Oh, you're so cool. Well, from the debris I see in the river here, I'd say there's a safari camp up ahead. Yeah, but it looks like this one has some unexpected house guests. You know, they sure have a sloppy way of keeping house and a unique way of parking that Jeep. Now, I'd like everyone to pay real close attention. I'm going to point out a few of our rare tropical plants, okay? There's one over there, right there. You'll see one, and here's one over here. Pay attention, will you? You had a hard time in school, didn't you? Yeah.
Still going.
Here's something you're not going to see every day, especially if you're in Venezuela. Yeah, you won't see that every day, but I will, every single day. And now we're upon the beautiful Schweitzer Falls, named after that famous African explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. Oh my goodness, I've got the falls, how are you going to win the match? Danger, danger, dive, dive. Oh my goodness, honey in the back, breathe deep, breathe deep. Is she just now coming out of the soul, move right along. Bless your little soul. Now we turn upon the Nile River. This is the longest river in Anaheim. And that's an African bull elephant. The sloping forehead and enormous ears mark an African bull. Might I also add, he's one of the more feared animals in the jungle. No, I take that back. This is the most feared animal in the jungle. Easy, that's right, it's his mother-in-law.
Terrible, terrible.
Hey, it's a job, okay? Keeps me off the streets, makes California a safe place for everyone to live. Well, looks like the whole moon film is coming down the water's edge today. Oh, look! Look, can everyone see the animated ducks? Wow, they're so lifelike. They don't hire just any bozo to drive these boats. We all know what we're doing.
What's that over there?
Move, ducky, move, ducky, move, ducky, move, ducky, move. Well, here's that lost safari we've been looking for. Yeah. You know, I bet those guys are going to get it in the end. Oh. That rhino seems to be more than willing to give those guys a lift. So bottoms up, guys. And as we see out here in the jungle, safari, so goody. So I guess we'll be moving on. Now, if you feel the boat leaning, don't be too alarmed. But we're about to enter a dangerous pool of hippopotami. Now, of course, the most dangerous part about this pool is the charging hippos. Yes, as a matter of fact, last night they knocked over 6 of our boats. Only 5 were mine, so don't worry, you're in good hands. But you probably already knew that. Oh no, look at this guy over here on the left-hand side. He's gonna charge the boat with those boats. Remember, what you call dangerous thrills and excitement, I happen to call minimum wage, so you're really getting your money's worth here. Live it up. Look like you're having a good time, okay? This guy's got a camera up there. He doesn't want to take a boring tape back to Iowa. That's where you're from. Iowa? No. Illinois?
Minnesota.
This is a beautiful and colorful coal-can cutting tribe celebrating the kill the lion. You know, they resemble some of you all this afternoon when you were looking for the restroom. You know, I saw you. Some of you on my phone. I'll point you out in a minute, okay, hon? Oh no! Head under the left inside. Hundreds, no, maybe thousands. Listen to the sparrows after the sparrow boat. Okay, when the children stand up on the seat, because there's one shield away, there's good one. Why do you come here stuck with the spear? Pull down, go back at it. Now, let me keep souvenirs. Why my money, you all handle that quite well.
Yeah.
Would have been a good honor if I had been done. Now, a special treat for all you men. I want you to look to the lady sitting closest to you, alright? If you don't like this, try to look at the other one. You got her focused? Ready? We're going to watch her hair go limp. Wow, what took hours to create this morning is now demolished within a matter of a few seconds. Wow. Wonders of nature. Now we're about to enter the dangerous Kilimanjaro Rapids. These are the most dangerous rapids in the jungle here. As a matter of fact, they're the only rapids we have in the jungle. Here we go! Okay, I like it with the big jacuzzi. And look at the size of that baby water buffalo in that tree, trying to get a squeeze on that huge python snake over there. Yeah, but if we get much closer, he's just making a crush on those folks in the back of the boat. It's gonna get you both watching. Whoa, they sure don't hear. He was too cool. And this is Trader Sam. He's the jungle's head salesman. Overhead's been down for Trader Sam this past month, so this week only he has a 2-for-1 special. Yeah, that's 2 of his heads for 1 of yours. What a bargain. Now, it's by coupon only, okay? You'll find that in your Disney brochure. Yeah. Look over there. See that? That's a rare species of a flat-footed rockhopper. I believe that's a female of the species. Yeah. Wow. They only come out during mating season. Up here on the dock, we have 4 more reasons to hate California. Yeah. As you can tell, surveys show 1 out of every 5 Disney employees actually does work.
Thank you.
Okay, bye now. You all have fun. Alright, but not too much fun. You might get caught. I got caught. Look what they did to me. Yeah.
Hey, we've made it all the way to the end. Thank you so much for sticking around. Did you enjoy this slice of nostalgia? I'm already working on the next one, so please like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more entertaining videos. I already have hundreds of great videos on this channel, and I'm always finding new content, so I ask that you please check back.